So I'm making this video in case I die. Who knows? But you can probably hear it, I'm sure. My air conditioner, the fan is being real loud. So I'm not an expert on ACs, but I'm an expert at life. And something like this doesn't faze me at all. I'm not worried, but I figure I would take this video. So what I've deduced is that I needed a new capacitor. The capacitor, okay, so the capacitor is that part right there. That is a round capacitor. You can see right next to it is an oval opening right here. I got an oval capacitor off of Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Switch over here, nifty switch. That is off. Now they say you want to short the capacitor out, which means taking a screwdriver and with a plastic handle and bridging the gap between the two. This is the only part that I would be minorly worried about. But yeah, so actually, let's check one thing before we... Alright, so I just wanted to make sure that, although it makes sense to short it out first, I just wanted to make sure that you weren't supposed to pull the wires out, as silly as that sounds. Any questions is good to be answered before you do anything. So let's see what happens here. I mean, they said it's not like you're gonna see a spark or something, but it's good to be sure either way. Just jam this around any which way we can. I mean, there's this nifty metal plate in between the two that's effectively stopping you from being able to really connect the two together, but I mean, that should be it. Alright. I'm going to put the camera down and try to do the rest of this. Alright, so there's the new one. It's literally been maybe a minute since I stopped the last tape. And I guess let's see if this does something. Here we go, we're going to flip the switch. If I do say so, it doesn't seem to have that horribly, well, it's loud obviously, but it doesn't seem to be as loud as it was. But I guess that's it. There you have it.